Hello everyone, Lisa Haase with Lisa Haase Custom Sewing and Design. I am introducing live Zoom group lessons starting September 8th at 8 p.m. Central Time. These are different than my one-on-one lessons in that these are lecture-only lessons, although participants will be able to screen share their own screen with each other and chat through the chat. The cost of these are $10 per lesson. They're 1 hour long, and payment in advance through either PayPal, Cash App, or Zelle are available. Now, once you make your payment and it's complete, the Zoom join link will be emailed to you. The lessons are recorded, and once Zoom has converted the recording to an MP4, the recording link will be sent out to all the participants as well. Contact me through email at lisa.haase.sewing@gmail.com for more information on how to make payment, and I hope to see you there. Happy sewing!